What's up, everyone? So today we have two Beyblade packs, one over here and one on this side, and they're two different Beyblades. And you can see this one is gold, this one is red fire. And on the back of the box it tells you the instructions and how the Beyblade works and like all this stuff. So yeah, let's get started on first unboxing the golden. Let's put this one on the side. So first, this box is made of, it has tape, so I'm gonna be aware of the tape. So this is the main part of the Beyblade. The tip is really pointy, like right here it's really pointy, and it's really sharp Beyblade. Wow. And this is the launcher. I don't really know how to put this on, it's really hard. Alright, it's on now. String can go somewhere like... Okay, yeah, this is not on right. So, this is working pretty well, and it's on. And now I'm gonna race it really fast. 1, 2, 3, go! नहीं चला
चलो अब मैं ट्राई करता हूँ.
So this is the small stadium, but this is not that useful, so we're just gonna put that on the side and do this big stadium. Alright, 1, 2, 3. अब वीडियो बना रही हो यार.
नहीं टू ट्राई
यार तूने मुझे बताना है. This is not good, this is not good, but this is good, and let's try. 3, 2, 1. Bro, chill.